Hello everyone, welcome to our channel English classes. I am Wajid sir. Today we will study future perfect continuous tense. In future perfect continuous tense, first we will see the structure. The structure of future perfect continuous tense is subject plus will or shall plus have plus be plus ing form of the verb plus subject plus for or from plus time. Here, in future perfect continuous tense, there is something different. When we were denoting period of time, we were using for in present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous. And when we were denoting point of time, we were using since in present perfect continuous and in past perfect continuous. But in future perfect continuous, we will use from instead of since to denote point of time, and to denote period of time we will use for. And all the structures are uh, like only a little bit different, like will or shall and here have. In present perfect continuous tense, we were using subject plus has a have been verb ing form plus subject. In past perfect continuous tense, we use subject plus had been ing form of the verb plus subject. In future perfect continuous tense, we are using subject plus will or shall plus have plus be plus ing form the verb plus subject. Now we will make some sentences on this pattern. Now we will see some sentences on the above structure. First we will take subject. Subject may be he, she, it, I, we, you, they, singular, plural, anything you can use here. Subject here I have taken he, then will have been sleeping. He will have been sleeping. Second, she will have been working in this office for 3 years. She will have been working in this office for 3 years. They will have been living in Delhi from July. I shall have been teaching voice from Monday. You will have to notice something. Here, when we are using 3 years point of time, we will use 4. Now, in the third sentence, I have used July, name of month. It is point of time. That's why we will use from. In the last sentence, I have used from because it is a day. That's why to express point of time, here we have used from. Now we will see the negative form of this structure. Now we will see the negative form of future perfect continuous tense. First we will take subject, then will or shall. After that not, then have plus been, ing from the verb plus object, for or from plus time. First example is they will not have been playing for 2 days. They will not have been playing for 2 days. Second, I shall not have been teaching from Monday. Third sentence, you will not have been here. I must be. You will not have been waiting for me. Now we will see its interrogative structure. Now we will see its interrogative, and I have told you from the very beginning that whenever we will make sentences on interrogative structure, first we will use helping verb used in this structure. Here the helping verb is will or shall. That's why first we use helping verb. Will or shall plus have plus been, will or shall plus subject plus have plus be, ing from the verb plus object plus for or from plus time. The sentences are: will they have been playing for 6 months? Will they have been playing for 6 months? Shall, subject I, then have, then be, ing from the verb, teaching, object voice, for or from, from because we are using here Monday. Monday is point of time. Shall I have been teaching voice from Monday? Will you have been living in Delhi? Will she have been cooking for us? Now we will see interrogative negative form. Now we will see interrogative negative form of future past. The structure is will or shall plus subject plus not plus have plus be plus ing from the verb plus object plus for or from plus type. Now we will see some examples. First one is will she not have been cooking for us? Will she not have been cooking for us? Second one, will they not have been living there for 6 months? Will they not have been living there for 6 months? Shall I not have been teaching voice from Monday? Today we have learned affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative a structure of future perfect continuous tense. Now I request you all to subscribe the channel and please forward it to your friends. If you have any queries, if you have any suggestion, you can drop it to comment box. Thank you for watching.